Ever pondered about the profound impact your words can have? Or how your voice could bring about change and awareness in our society? Well, it's time to bring those thoughts to life. Welcome to a world where your words are worth their weight in gold, where you can earn $700 for your words, $1 for each word. Intriguing, isn't it? In a world teeming with stories, filled with unique perspectives and experiences, your voice matters. It's time to channel your inner journalist, your inner storyteller, your inner advocate. How? It's simple. Submit your article to pitches@csjournalism.org. Yes, you heard it right. An article about the issues that matter, about the topics that pique your interest and resonate with your values. Topics they cover range widely, from child welfare, foster care and adoption, to climate change. You can write about education and training, health and mental health, or even gun violence. They welcome articles about juvenile justice, out of school time, including after-school and summer programs, as well as race, ethnicity, and gender. Don't shy away from discussing homelessness or talking about youth with disabilities. There's no limit to what you can explore. Your words have the power to educate, to inspire, and to provoke thought. Remember, each word is worth $1. Yes, each word you write can earn you $1. An article of 700 words can earn you $700. But wait, there's more to it than just the monetary reward. Your words have the potential to reach a broad audience, to influence minds and shape opinions. Your article can spark conversations, encourage dialogue, and maybe even instigate change. This is not just about writing an article, it's about making a difference. Now, you might have questions about the submission process. It's straightforward. Write your piece, proofread it, ensure it aligns with the topics covered, and simply email it to pitches@csjournalism.org. It's time to let your words create ripples. It's time to let your voice be heard. So grab your pen or open your laptop and start writing. Let your words flow. Let your thoughts shape your narrative. And remember, your words have value, not just in monetary terms, but in the impact they can make. So what are you waiting for? Start writing, start contributing, start making a difference. Your words await their journey. It's time to send them off. It's time to submit your article. Remember, pitches@csjournalism.org is the address. $700 could be your reward, but more importantly, the satisfaction of contributing to the narrative, of making your voice heard, of making a difference, that's the real reward. So go ahead, start writing, your words matter.